Before, fuel gauge not working, and now you can see here ignition on and fuel gauge working. Perfect. Great success. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Santa Fe 2013 model. This car have a problem, fuel gauge not working. You can see here fuel gauge is down. That's the problem. Today I will show you. Now fuel is I think full like this in inside pump, but here you can see this is down. Today I will show you how you can solve this problem, what is actually issue. So we already removed fuel pump, and fuel pump is good, and when I direct with fuel pump wire, then also gauge not working. So that means here fuel gauge damage, okay, in cluster. So I will show you how you can repair this fuel gauge in cluster meter. Okay, first of all, remove cluster. I already removed cluster meter, and now I will show you how you can repair this fuel gauge. I replaced this capacitor and this IC. So now we will see fuel gauge working or not. Okay, fixed wire. Now we'll see ignition on, and you can see here fuel gauge working. Great success. See, before this is not working, now working. See, ignition off, on. Great success. Thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. See.